Are you shy in singing? Not brave enough to say directly what needed to be heard? And how does your true voice sound like? We have so many voices within us, so get to know some of them. Let us imagine your voice like a picture of a beautiful nature place. Your thoughts, who are talking all day, are represented in a waterfall. How strong is your waterfall? Your sounds of talking and communicating your thoughts to the outside are like trees, flowers, and all the plants around the waterfall. How do they look like? And then there is your singing voice, pictured in the birds, dragonflies, butterflies, and all the animals who are truly bringing your place to feel alive. Are you curious how to get this picture as a map inside of you to fully use your voice? My friend Marlia is teaching how to activate your vocal cords and enjoy your voice with love. I will link you her free online course.